Today we're talking about potpourri and some of the things that you can do. One of the things that is fun with potpourri is to give it as gifts. You can put it in bags to give as a gift and maybe make a label or some kind of, you can just take a piece of paper and use packaging tape that is crystal clear to hold the paper on. You wouldn't have to have a label necessarily, but the easiest way would be to make a label and put it on the front. Use a gift tag. You can fill the bag with the potpourri and give it that way, or you can fill up a container and put the container in the bag. And then tie a little ribbon and put a little ribbon around it, and you've got a little gift potpourri container. Potpourri can be a fun gift to give as well as to make for yourself. The choices are out there. The containers. For Valentine's Day, you might want to use a heart-shaped bowl. Put some potpourri in it. Maybe even put a Valentine heart on top. Or maybe a Valentine candy. Make sure it's wrapped. And then use cellophane or clear wrap to cover it, or even use a Valentine paper to cover it. You can do all kinds of things.